Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best wall fish tank is probably one of the most innovative ways to bring the beauty of the underwater world into your living space. These aquariums seamlessly blend into your walls, creating a stunning visual centerpiece that's both captivating and space-saving. Whether you're a seasoned aquarist or a beginner, a wall fish tank offers a unique opportunity to showcase your aquatic life in a modern and elegant way. Number 5. Hygger Horizon 8-gallon LED Aquarium Kit. This kit is perfect for beginners. It includes everything you need to start your own underwater world. It's easy to set up and maintain, making it ideal for anyone new to the hobby. The kit features a 7W internal power filter pump. It's designed to keep the water clean and clear. This ensures a healthy environment for your fish. Enjoy the colorful LED aquarium light. You can customize the lighting with the external digital controller. It offers multiple modes and adjustable brightness. The tank has a unique curved shape, providing a wider view. It holds up to 8 gallons, with a stunning 3D rockery background. This creates a beautiful and natural habitat. The kit is packaged with multi-layer protection for safe shipping. The sturdy packaging ensures the glass tank arrives in perfect condition. If there is any damage, please contact the seller. What we like? This aquarium kit features a stunning 3D rockery background, creating a captivating underwater world. It also has adjustable LED lighting, allowing you to customize the ambience. If you're looking to create a visually stunning and easy-to-manage aquarium, this is a great choice. The included filtration system ensures a healthy environment for your fish, making it perfect for beginners. What people say? The tank is very easy to set up. The filter is very quiet. The tank is a beautiful addition to any room. Number 4. Evergreen Aquarium Glass Cleaner Sponge, Pack of 4. Introducing the Evergreen Glass Scrubber, the perfect tool for a pristine aquarium. This cleaner easily tackles grime on glass walls, ensuring a clean and healthy environment for your aquatic pets. It's ideal for both fish and turtle tanks. This aquarium sponge is tough on gunk but gentle on glass. It guarantees a scratch-free clean every time. You can say goodbye to worries and hello to a spotless tank with this non-scratch scrubber. Each aquarium sponge cleaner in this 4-pack is built to last. It can handle multiple cleaning sessions without falling apart. Enjoy the durability and reliability of these scrub pads, perfect for keeping your tank pristine. Get a thorough clean with this aquarium cleaning sponge, designed for ultimate control and effectiveness. Ditch the awkward handles and magnets, and tackle every corner with ease using this handheld glass cleaner tool. Show some love for American manufacturing with these aquarium cleaning supplies, proudly made in the USA. With 4 cleaning pads in each pack, you're always ready for your next cleaning adventure. What we like? This aquarium cleaning sponge provides a non-scratch cleaning experience, ensuring your tank remains pristine. Its durable design means it can handle multiple cleaning sessions. If you value a spotless tank without the risk of scratches, this is the perfect solution. The easy control design makes cleaning a breeze, allowing you to reach every corner effortlessly. What people say? The tank is very sleek and modern looking. The filter is very quiet. The lighting is great. Number 3. Carefree 612-inch Nano Air Stone. Introducing the Carefree Nano Air Stone, designed to enhance your aquarium. This innovative product is perfect for both saltwater and freshwater tanks, ensuring a healthy environment for your fish. Crafted from quality nanomaterials, it boasts an extremely high oxygen solubility rate. This feature creates tiny bubbles, promoting a healthier and happier aquatic life for your fish. Made through high-temperature firing, this air stone is built to last. It's suitable for saltwater use and won't lose sand over time. If algae build up, simply clean it for reuse. The air stone is heavy enough to stay in place. If using a suction cup, separate the stones before removing them from the water to avoid damage. Before use, angle the air stone at 45 degrees with the air inlet up, and soak it for 12 hours. Then, connect it to an air pump for optimal performance and enjoy the benefits. The size of this air stone is 12*1.6 inch, 30 by 4 centimeters. It is a great addition to any aquarium, providing essential aeration and enhancing the overall aquatic environment. What we like? This air stone strip creates extremely tiny bubbles, promoting a healthy environment for your fish. It's made through high-temperature firing, ensuring a long service life. If you want to enhance the oxygen levels in your aquarium, this is an excellent choice. It's suitable for both saltwater and freshwater tanks, making it versatile for various setups. What people say. The tank is well made and the design is sleek. The filter system is effective at keeping the water clean. The LED lighting is bright and energy efficient. Number 2. Hanging wall-mounted fish bowl aquarium, clear, medium. Tired of bulky fish tanks? This wall-mounted design is the perfect solution. It saves space while providing a stylish home for your small fish or plants. This bowl is ideal for small fish, goldfish, and live plants. It creates a beautiful and healthy environment for them. It's a unique way to bring nature into your home. Made from high-quality clear acrylic, it's bright and durable. This ensures that the bowl will last for a long time. The clear design also provides a great view of the contents. The dimensions are 9 inches by 9 inches by 4 inches. It's the perfect size for a small space. It's easy to install and adds a touch of elegance to any room. Installation is a breeze. It's a cute wall-hanging fish bowl and planter. It's also an ideal gift and unique home decor and wall decor. What we like. This wall-mounted fish bowl saves valuable space, making it perfect for smaller living areas. It's easy to install, transforming any wall into a captivating display. If you have limited space or want a unique decor piece, this is a great option. It's ideal for small fish and live plants, adding a touch of nature to your home. What people say. The tank is well made and the acrylic is very clear. The filter is very quiet. The lighting is great and really makes the fish and plants pop. Number 1. PRUGNA 1-gallon acrylic wall-mounted fish bowl. Introducing the PRUGNA wall-mounted fish bowl. This unique design brings aquatic life and greenery to your walls. It's a stylish and space-saving solution. This 1-gallon acrylic tank measures 11.5 inches square. The clear design offers a great view of the inside. It comes with decorative stones and artificial plants. Made from high-quality acrylic, it's light yet strong. You don't have to worry about kids or pets accidentally knocking it down. It's a safe choice for your home. Maximize your space with this wall-mounted fish bowl. It doesn't need any counter or table space. It's perfect for small apartments or rooms. Installation is simple, just drill a screw into the wall and hang it. The wide opening makes it easy to clean. You can easily reach inside to maintain it. PRUGNA offers a 30-day replacement or return policy. There are no questions asked. You can buy with confidence knowing that they stand behind their product. What we like. This wall-mounted fish bowl maximizes your space with its sleek design. It's made of high-quality, durable acrylic, ensuring longevity. If you're looking for a stylish and space-efficient way to display your fish, consider this. It's also easy to clean, making maintenance a breeze. What people say. The tank is well made and the acrylic is very clear. The filter is very quiet. The LED lights are bright and the plants are growing well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.